YouTube, Matt here with Taurus Woodshop. I just want to welcome you to my channel and my first video. Just want to let you know that I am still getting used to filming things, and I've been having some problems getting used to the GoPro and other filming things. So in the beginning, filming is going to be a little wonky sometimes, so please bear with me. I just want to again welcome you to the wood shop, which is where I'm standing now, or as I like to call it, the shop of disaster, because it is a total disaster, and you'll see why in a minute. It has been kind of the catch-all for everything. So from storage of camping gear to mowers, lawnmowers, you name it, it's probably in this shop. So the goal of this channel is to bring you on the journey of me turning this disaster of a workshop into a fully functioning, organized wood shop. So this is just kind of a quick introduction video of me and the channel and the space. And I just want to say I am not a woodworker by any means. I would say I'm a woodworking enthusiast. I have lots of ideas and I like building things with my hands. As you'll see, some of the handiwork I've done throughout the shop here, starting to get stuff organized, and some of the projects I've started and been working on. So let me just take you on a quick tour of the shop to kind of show you around. It's not that big, so it won't take very long, but just so you can get an idea of what exactly needs to change and get organized and what I mean by a disaster. So follow me and we'll journey up to the front of the shop over here. So this is kind of the front door when you walk in. Right now you can see at the front of the shop I got the mower, riding mower there. On the other side of it is the push mower. I got a bunch of wood stacked up against the door right now. We're doing renos in the house, and this is just kind of leftover scrap wood, which is good wood. So I just brought it in here to dry because it's been raining and it's got a little wet. Kids hockey gear, you know, that's got to get out of here. And then over here we got storage, again, drop zone, wife's plants, the all important drink and beer fridge, camping gear, fishing gear. Right here, this big monstrosity in the shop is a trailer I've been working on. It's kind of hidden behind all this wood and stuff. So this is a project I started probably about 4 years ago, going on 5 years. Slowly building this trailer. My next video will actually be kind of documenting how the trailer started and kind of how it got to where it is now. It's just gonna be basically pictures and some explanation. And then as I move on, you know, I got my bike, one of my bikes, gardening stuff, this over here, this shelving unit, and the back corner over here. It's for my eBay store. I sell a lot of stuff on eBay, this and that. That's the packing station. I know this doesn't look organized, but that shelf is actually organized. And over here is usually where I set up the little photo studio to take pictures of anything I'm working on. This is the current workbench right now that was in the shop. It came in the shop when I bought the house. It is just packed with stuff because I've been organizing all these screws that I inherited, I guess. So I've just been trying to organize that stuff, get it going. This is the back of the trailer, and this is the hatch right here. That once I put it back on, it's off because I had to epoxy it, and I still need to do some stuff to it before I put it back on, and the trailer. Which we'll see. I will document it all. You guys will be all part of that. Again, this is the current workbenches and tools and assortment of things that I currently have. So as I build out this shop, this will all change and get organized way better than what it is now, to make this space way more functional and usable. One of the first projects I got to do is build, or well, I guess not really build, but get these ladders hung up from the ceiling right here, because They just take up space. I mean, they're big, so why not hang them from the ceiling, get them out of the way, because I don't use them very often. I got way too many ladders, I think. I got 3 in here, and I have a friend who's borrowed one, so 4 ladders. But so that's a quick tour of the shop here, and you see what I mean by it's a disaster and how it needs to get organized so I can use it as a fully functional wood shop to do the projects I want to do and hobbies I want to do and take you guys on that adventure with me. So I just want to thank you for tuning in. Anything that I build, if I use follow instructions or links or anything like that, it'll all be linked below. I'll have a link to my eBay store, Etsy store, anything like that. Any tools I use, anything I buy will all be linked below so you guys can get what you need. Most of the time when I build things, it's either just as I go, I need something, so I'll build it. So when I build the things to hang the ladders, I got some ideas in my head, and I'll just kind of wing it, and we'll go from there. Other times when I'm building something a little more precise, I will follow plans, and all the stuff I do will be linked. Anything that's linkable will be linked down below. I just want to say thanks for tuning in, and